Hi loves, it's your girl Tila and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing slash review slash first impression. In the last video it was a glam bag, but in this one it's the plus, which I'm so excited to talk about. And of course, if you guys haven't already, please go ahead, hit that like button, that subscribe button, as well as that notification bell so you'll be able to see videos like this every week. And of course, all the information will be in the description down below, so go ahead and check them out. Without further ado, let's just dive right into this. Alright you guys, so in my last video I talked about the glam bag, which came in this, alright, but now we are going to be talking about the plus, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And of course this is my first time reviewing this product. It's heavy, you know. I low-key don't know what's in it, but I low-key do. But of course, they send you a confirmation email. You can also go ahead and track them to see where it is and what it is and what you got and what they chose for you. I have my notes here, okay? So I will be reading the description that it is on top of Ipsy's website. $25 a month subscription box from Ipsy. Every month you'll receive 5 full-size beauty products. The box will have a retail value of at least $120. This box was voted as the best makeup subscription box and a best beauty subscription box by MSA Reader, of course, and the viewers, which is myself. Come on, you guys, $25 a month. I feel like it is definitely well worth it when you go ahead and you get one of these. Of course, you be a part of their subscription every month, because I know that in this one it's a $10 for like sample sizes, but there's always one full-size product in this one. And then these ones are also just straight up full-size products in these ones. It's worth it. It is actually worth the money. $25, you guys, really? You know, it beats going into a store and buying it, you know, in its full price, when you can just get a monthly subscription. So I'm super excited that I've subscribed to this, you know, and I'm just excited. So you know what, let's just stop rambling. Let's just dive right into this. Let me just go ahead and grab my scissors. This box also came in today and I'm super excited. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see it before I do, okay? Oh my God. And if you guys do hear like a little rattling noise, don't mind, okay? Because it is kind of hot and there's like lights all over me, and that is my fan. Please bear with me, okay? Because girl, here in Hawaii, girl, she hot. And it's around summertime, girl, and mama ain't playing, girl. Nature ain't playing with us today. All right, you guys, here we go. How does it look, girl? How does it look? Oh, I love this. Okay, right here it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I love that. That's so inspirational. I love that. Oh, don't be like anybody else but yourself. Okay, already, first thing I like is this. Of course, it has this little cushion to protect the products. Oh my God, you know what? Let me just open this flap. How does it look, y'all? Okay, of course we're going to be starting with our pamphlet. Okay, welcome to the block party. Hashtag Ipsy block party. Okay, we are definitely gonna just review each and every one of these products like we did with the other one. Okay, and in this one I'm just gonna I'm gonna randomly select and I'm gonna go through the pamphlet and just read from there. All right, what am I grabbing, girl? What is this? Okay, this, okay, the lip liner is a matte color shiny balm lip crayon. Okay, let's go to our pamphlet. Okay, here it is. I do not know how you pronounce this. She's in French or something, but TRÈSTIQUE, I'm not gonna even try. Here she is. Matte Color Plus Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in BELIZE. Girl, I don't know. This is a value of $25. knows you're busy. That's why all of their products multitask as much as you do. With this dual-ended lippy, you can create endless looks on the go, from matte and opaque to sheer and glossy. It's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end, a shade we're converting for our new next date, and a moisturizing balm on the other. Wear them alone, paired together, or with your other favorite lip products, your call. You can do whatever you want to do with these bad boys. Tip: outline your lips using the tip of the matte lip crayon. Fill in your lips with the side of the crayon and blot. To take your lip look from matte to shiny, add a swipe of the balm on top, or wear the balm alone for a sheer wash of shiny color. Oh, girl, that was a mouthful, girl. Let's try her on. Okay, we're gonna put her to the side. Oh, she definitely looks like a crayon. Definitely not. Okay, so we're gonna open her. Oh girl, okay, and as far as the smell, there is no smell in this, which is fine by me. I don't mind a smell or no smell. Okay, then we are going to just, ooh girl, the texture already, it glides on real well. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and put her on. Let me just try her. Girl. Okay. Ooh. You know, she goes well with this look. We are gonna outline the lips. She goes on smooth, which I like already. And then I'm gonna, okay, and it also says to use the other side, the balm part. So that's exactly what we are going to do, which is this bottom end right here. You just pop her right out. And okay, this has a little scent. Oh, I can't put, I don't know how to exactly say this, but it's not severe. It is not severe, so that's good. The smell, it smells good. How does she look? She definitely goes well. All right, you guys, we're gonna put this one away. Next, I'm just gonna grab one of these big ones. Okay, 1-1 Skin. Okay, we are gonna go and find her in here. Okay, and here she is. That's this one right here. All right. 1-1 Skin. Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It's a value of 180. This lightweight concentrated formula is infused with firming red rice extract, vitamin C to help diminish dark spots and brighten your skin, and antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. Girl, you better work. Tip: after washing your face, mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to your skin. Use every night for best results. With all my nighttime skincare routine, I'm gonna add this part of it. So we're gonna just, of course, we're gonna go right into her. Okay, it's very medical type of medicine right there. I just want to smell her. Oh, it's like a floral-ish. Not so really, but... Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna drip like a little drip because I do not want to waste this, because anything skincare, girl, I don't waste. Okay? It definitely has an oily texture, but it dries, and it's a little sticky, but it's not bad. But it dries down. Let me just add her onto my skin now. Let's not waste her. Alright, well, I'm in love with this one. So this, we are going to put her away. And we're going to dive into our next product. Okay, I'm just going to grab randomly this. What is this? This SUVA Suave Beauty. If I'm saying this wrong, I'm sorry. Please correct me. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so we're gonna just dive right into this one. Oh, I can already see her in the back here. So that's that right there. Alright. I love how she comes with the brush. Good girl. Because I don't mind more brushes. Okay. I could use more brushes. Suave Beauty. Hydra liner in grease and 620 brush set. Suave Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity. Starting with this liner and brush combo, the inky water activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. With the ultra fine 620 brush, application is a total cinch. Its pointed tip arms you with the precision to create any line you like, from thick to thin and everything in between. Tip: to begin, wet the 620 brush and dip it into the pan. Mix with the liner, adding more water if necessary until you get a nice creamy consistency. Trace your lash line to create your eye look. Let the product air dry before twisting the cap back on. Okay, girl, we're gonna start off with this brush first, because this brush is supposed to give me my life, right? Oh, she thin, girl. Oh, she hella skinny, girl. She is skinny, girl. I can already tell just by looking at it on how precise I can be with this, because especially for me personally, I like my eyeliners to be thin, and of course as I wing her out, I like it to be thick, but for the most part I like my eyeliners to be thin. Here it is. Of course she came with this cap, but you know, I kind of pulled her and this came out first. So the brush is soft. If you like to draw, or if you like to just make designs, this will work well with any type of eyeshadow or liquid or anything. You can do so much with this. We're definitely going to put this down, and we're going to open. Has no smell. First, let me just, okay, she's definitely a creamy texture, and it says to wet the brush, so I'm going to be going into my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray, and I'm going to wet the back of this brush. I like to like rub her into the skin just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna go in, and we're gonna just see. Okay, you have to like really dig her in here, but try not to damage the brush. And this is what we're going to do. Oh girl, you see how precise you can be with this, honey? I'm gonna have fun with this. All right. So we're gonna put this one away. Next product. Ooh. All right, this is the TETRIS Ipsy. Oh my God, this is what was heavy. Okay, so TETRIS X Ipsy Game On Eyeshadow Palette. We partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, velvety, buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from stubble to smoky to bold and beyond. Oh girl, that is my life, honey, my existence, girl. Tip: for a stubble look, use a fluffy shadow brush to stack it up across your entire lid. Using a crease brush, blend Block Party from your lash line to crease. Apply Game Day to the center of your lid. For a metallic smoky look, blend Game Changer and Game Night and sweep across entire lid from your lash line to crease. Then use a damp angled liner brush to line upper and lower lash lines with Game Over. Oh honey, I just want to open her already. Oh, what color is this one? Oh, green, girl, my favorite color. Thank God I got the green. Just open her. Okay, first thing, so this is how she looks. You guys can see that well. Okay, we're gonna go through each one and talk about the names. Game Changer, Game Day, Game Night, Stack It Up, Block Party, and Game Over. I'm super excited to go ahead and dive right into this and like really give all types of looks. So here it is. You know what? Let's just give it a little swatch. I'm drawn into Game Night right now because I love greens. You know, for me, that's just my favorite color. I'm just gonna go right into this. Ooh, she is definitely giving me a metallic vibe, girl. Like, do you see that? Look at that. Oh my god, I'm super excited to play with that. All right, you guys, let's put this one away and let's see for the next one. Okay, let me just, she's feeling light. Okay, and last but not least, it is APTO skincare. That is this one right here. Healing Turmeric Mask. Skin healing ingredients like turmeric and neem extract travel deep into your skin's pores to draw out impurities and help reduce rednesses and inflammation in this lightweight mask. Azelaic acid gently slows or soothes away dead skin cells. Oh my god. Girl, I'm about to put it all over my body. Tip. Apply a thin layer of the mask all over clean skin. Let it sit for 5-10 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. I'm super excited to try this. But of course, unfortunately, there is no sink in front of me or around me. So I'm just going to go right into her and I just want to feel and smell this. So, here she is. Bright and yellow. She's giving me that mustard look, you know, that yellowish. And of course, you guys already know there's a seal, which is perfect because at least you know the product is secure. You know, anytime you guys receive a product and this is not there, honey, who knows? But this, oh, definitely smells like skincare mask. Already as a, ooh, girl. Well, we're gonna just, she is thick. Like, it's she, girl. This is thick. Like, oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna wear this tonight. She feels like, she definitely feels lightweight, but she is definitely thick. She has a thick consistency. Right there. Oh, I'm excited to try this. All right, you guys. And I know this video might be a little short, but I just wanted to come on here and just talk to you guys about it. And of course, think about it, you guys. Like, you guys are saving a lot of money just by subscribing to Ipsy.com and being a part of their membership. You guys will get full-size products in a box, you know. And I feel like for 25 bucks, you can't go wrong. All right, 25 bucks. It beats you spending more than over 100 bucks. Girl, when you can get full-size products in your Ipsy box, okay? But for those of you who live here in Hawaii, it's gonna take a little bit more time, but they kind of do it in the mid-month of every single month, which I thank God I hopped on this, you know, the same train as everybody else, because they like to do everything all at one time. You know, we will, okay, for us who's in Hawaii, it's gonna take a little, like, longer, like a little bit longer, because everything that's coming to Hawaii, they all kind of want to do it at the same time, which it does make sense. But of course, us, or me, being a little impatient sometimes, which I'm working on, you know, I tend to just want it now. But this right here is worth the wait, and it's worth 25 bucks, you guys, okay? So with that being said, you guys, I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, for being with me, all that. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below. And if you guys have any questions or anything that you guys want to ask me, please feel free to write it down in the comments, okay? I like to reach out to everyone, you know? It's a group effort. This is teamwork. Follow me on all social media platforms. It will be in the description down below. And in each product that I had reviewed today, it will be in the description down below, as well as Ipsy's information. All right, you guys. And until next time, bye. Mwah.